Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Bates numbering to multiple PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature is incredibly useful for legal documents, contracts, or any files that need sequential identification across multiple pages and documents. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with for adding Bates numbering to multiple PDF files. This will open your document and prepare it for editing. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on Edit. This will open up various editing options that Acrobat Pro DC offers. From here, look to the left sidebar and click on More. This expands additional tools that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. From the expanded menu, select Bates numbering, then click Add. This opens the Bates numbering dialog box, which is where all the magic happens. Now click Add Files, then select Add Files again. This allows you to choose which PDF files you want to include in your Bates numbering sequence. Select the PDF file you want to add, then click Open. Once your file appears in the list, click OK to confirm your selection. Now it's time to customize how your Bates numbers will look. Navigate to Font, then click the drop-down menu beside Name to select your preferred font style. This ensures your Bates numbers match your document's overall appearance. Next, navigate to Size and click the drop-down menu beside it to select your preferred font size. You want the numbers to be visible but not distracting. You can also customize the text color by clicking the color picker beside the font size option, then select your preferred font color. This is particularly helpful if you need the numbers to stand out or blend in with your document's color scheme. Navigate to Appearance Options, where you'll see several placement choices such as left header text, center header text, right header text, left footer text, center footer text, or right footer text. Click on your preferred option to select where you want the Bates numbers to appear on your pages. Now click Insert Bates Number. This is where you'll define the actual numbering sequence. Navigate to Number of Digits and type your preferred number of digits. This determines how many digits your Bates numbers will contain. For example, 5 digits would display as 00001. Set the starting number by typing in the field or use the up and down arrow menu beside Start Number. If you're continuing from a previous set of documents, you might start at a number other than 1. Navigate to Prefix and type your preferred prefix, for example, ABC. This adds a custom identifier before your numbers, so they might appear as ABC0001. Click OK to confirm your Bates numbering settings. You'll then need to click OK again to apply the numbering to your selected files. Click OK one more time to finalize and close the dialog boxes. The numbering will now be applied to all your selected PDF files. In the upper right corner, click the Save button to save your changes. Your documents now have professional Bates numbering applied across all pages and files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.